alligator, snap, snap, snap. B is for bear with a great big clap. C is for cat who purrs so sweet. D is for dog with dancing feet. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog who hops along. G is for giraffe, so tall and bright, stretching high up, what a sight. H is for hippo, splashing away. I is for iguana, hiding all day. J is for jaguar, running so fast. K is for kangaroo, hopping past. L is for lion with a mighty roar. M is for monkey who swings galore. N is for narwhal, deep in the sea. O is for owl who hoots at night. P is for penguin, waddling bright. Q is for quail who runs so fast. R is for rabbit, hopping past. S is for rabbit, hopping past. S is for snake who slithers around. T is for tiger, big and proud. U is for urchin, spiky and small. V is for vulture, soaring tall. W is for whale, swimming free. X is for x-ray fish under the sea. Y is for yak, so big and strong. Z is for zebra, dancing along. A, B, C, hooray, hooray. Animal friends make learning play. One more time, let's dance and sing. Learning is fun with everything.